Hello everyone, today we talk about the Theta warning and the Bitcoin 22.5k before the crash. So in the 2 November, I told you this is about the Bitcoin, that this is the second warning whether the Bitcoin can still going up back to the 22.5k or just continue to crash. Okay, nobody knows, but this is already the warning that I told you in 2 November. Now, the price prediction about the Bitcoin, it's the Bitcoin is going fly first before we are crashing. And why we are crashing, it's also same about the Theta. The Theta in the weekly time frame, even this is the pump. Remember, you also have the similar pump in the February, you also have the similar pump in the November last year. In November last year, the people said 100k Bitcoin, but what's the expectation? The crash is happening. So let's calculate. From this bottom in the February 2022, so around 8 weeks ago, we still have the bottom. We are fly about how many percent? 86%. 86% the pump. And after that, we have another down. Okay, and you calculate again in here how many you have. 66%, 68% pump before you are going down. Now also similar, you have around 44% pump before the down. And why it's going down? Because you have the exponential moving average 21 week in the weekly time frame. And so far you have rejected in here. Also you are rejected again. This is a double rejection. You are failed from the last support exponential 90, and also the white color in here you also rejected again. It's not hit, but it's down. Now if you are still think that we are still going up, it's up to you, but remember that the crash is happening after the US election. The 8th November is the US election. Usually the US, the Democrat team also hold the market. It's not going to crash before the election, but after the election they're gonna dump the market. And also in the 8th November you also have the full moon. The full moon also happening. That's why around 8 November, the 9 November gonna be the important date for the market, for the Theta and the Bitcoin. And also remember, don't play the smaller candle, because the smaller candle you're gonna say that this is the wow, this is a bullish because we are still going up. But remember that we also face the same issue just happening early this year and late last year. Remember this FOMO and also this FOMO, it's just FOMO, okay? Just same FOMO, okay? That's why if you still hold the line, it's better for you to sell. Look, we are already at the peak. Maybe to pump just to fake out before it's going downtrend. Okay, that's why protect your asset is more important. And maybe some of you said like this is a double bottom and it's ready to fly. It's up to you, but the market still in the bad condition, and it's very important for you to 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 protect your asset and keep the cash ready. And the next hot about the Bitcoin. So in this video I told you that the last resistance is around 22.5k. Now we are heading to 22.5k. Look, in here this is target, and people maybe say that we are back to bullish because we just break this trend line from the May, and we are just broke. We are retest confirm after resistance, and we are fly to 100k. But the best thing that we are going up to 22.5k, but it doesn't close that. Maybe we can still going up, or maybe just going strictly going down. Maybe just it and this going down is still possible, or maybe we are up, fake out, and we are going down. Overall is that. And some people say that 25k is very possible. Okay, there is still a chance because in here it's like the unfilled order in here. But if we are still going to up back to here, I think it's up. I'm a bit pessimistic. Why? Because the time is 8th November. We only have 2 days left until the 8th November before the dump. Usually after US election there is a dump. Okay, that's why you need to be careful and remember that the DXY. Okay, look, since June last year the DXY already increased from 89 to this level, and since that time we never broke the red line. Look, we never broke the red line. We just retest the perfect retest in here the perfect retest now. After retest in here maybe just retest before we create like the double bottom. So the double bottom for the US stocks in here may lead like the bullish scenario, and we are back to here. Okay, and maybe if the bull run is start maybe around the early December, they're gonna be the good bull run. But after that, maybe it's very dangerous. But let's say the price action, because after hit this one, I'm a bit pessimistic that we are still going up. But the price may be back to the EMA 34. The EMA 34. So we are okay. Let's hide. So we are still bullish 1.7 US dollar. It's still possible. It's only the matter whether you hit this color or maybe you hit the white color EMA 34, or or most likely this is not going to be happening. So the top is around this level. Okay, so that's the important level for you to watch. And after that, we are still in the bearish. Okay, and nobody knows. It's better for you to protect your asset. If you want to short sell in here, it's still very good. Or short sell in here, you need to manage your own risk. Okay, I think that's for today, and thank you for watching. Let's wait about the weekly close candle and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.